How to log out of Kakao Talks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log out of your Kakao Talks account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up the app and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to log out of. And once you land on the app, and head over to the settings section by tapping on the gear icon at the top right. You can just go ahead and tap on General Settings. Now, if you scroll down, as you can see, there is no option to log out of your app from inside the app itself. So what you need to do is open up your phone settings, scroll down until you find App Settings, and from here, you'll just have to find your Kakao Talks app. Scroll down until you find the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and find it here. Just tap on the app that you want to log out of. Now, the only method as of now is to clear its data, because once you head over to storage and clear all of its data, you should be logged out of your account because it will erase all of the data of the account and the app. It also includes your account information like your login details. So if you tap on the app now, you should be logged out, and you can also log into another account if you want now. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.